Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this roomtec round LED bathroom mirror. Here are the instructions. More instructions. You can go ahead and plug it in. It comes with the plug-in cord, but you could always cut this and hardwire to your wall. So you have two different options. On the back, as you see, it comes with a bracket. It has two brackets. One of them it's on the mirror, that's here, and the other one you mount this on the wall, and you have the screws so you can mount the bracket on the wall, and then the mirror sits on this other bracket, so it's very easy. And since the mirror it's not too heavy, then it should be easy just to hang in there. Now the reason why I have this mirror all this way is because I want to show you something. The LEDs on this mirror are here. This is what makes it warm, so that way it doesn't fog when you're taking a shower or you're done taking a shower and you want to look at yourself on the mirror. I left the film on here because I don't want to take it off unless I'm done installing the mirror on the wall. But I'm just going to give you an idea of what it looks like. Here on this button on the right is so it does not fog up on you. On the left you have the light, and here is a little closer. So let's zoom out. So if you soft press the light button, I went on the back of the mirror and kind of tightened the back screws, and now the two lights are on. So now you can go ahead and press them. So let's press this one. And you have the cool white at 100%. And I like that not only does the light come through here in the front, you can see it on the back as well. Let's press it again. Now it's warm white. If you press it one more time, then it gives you in between, so it lights up both the cool white and the warm white. And then you turn it off. Now if you want to dim it, you can go ahead and turn it on, and then you want to press and hold, and this is how dark it gets. Next you got the warm white, then you got in between, and off. You turn it back on. The good thing is that it turns back on to where you left it. And then back on again. So I like that it remembers how bright your light was. So if in case you put this on a bedroom, you don't want the light to be super bright when you turn it on. So I like that. So now let's see. You have space here where the light comes out from, and then you can see the LEDs here. So there is a space between the wall and the mirror, and that space, it looks really nice because it lights up here on the wall, and then also you get the light so you can look at yourself in the mirror and it doesn't hurt your eyes. Here, this is as bright as it gets. So I like the way it looks. I really like the design of this mirror. And of course, if you want to go ahead and turn on the heating pad that's in the back so it doesn't fog, you can go ahead and do that. And the good thing is that you don't have to turn them both on. You can leave the light off while this is on, or both off, however you want to use them. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.